Hi.
Preetjot.
Hey.
How are you doing, Preetjot?
Doing good. Just keeping up my spirits high, which is
Yes, that's
required
good.
right now.
Yeah. And how's your kids doing?
They are doing fantastic. In fact, better than non-quarantine time. So I
Right.
feel that taking it easy as of now, thankfully.
Okay. So hi everyone, and like always, in today's live session, I have Preetjot Kaur from Delhi. She's a top blogger, and her
Right.
Insta handle is My Little Muffin, right?
And
And
the school mom.
underscore mom, correct. And to tell you all, like Preetjot has been associated with Baby Chakra since long. I mean, it's been, I think, almost 5 years, Preetjot, right? Since the time
Yeah.
you started your blogging career.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, and it's really great to have you today. And I mean, I'm personally feeling so excited for this live
I'm
session.
excited to seriously. This is such an honor to be on Baby Chakra again.
So yes, guys. So today we are going to talk about a very important and crucial topic that we as a mothers we all worried about our toddlers and our kids. So we are going to talk about how to keep the spirits high of our kids during this quarantine time. And Preetjot is here to talk about that.
So, basically, right now, I feel that there's a lot of chaos. We all are anxious. We don't know what's happening.
Right.
Keeping ourselves away from looking at the numbers, which I'm doing for sure, and it's helping me keep my sanity in place.
Correct.
I really feel this is not the time to focus on rules in any way. We all follow our different rules related to something or the other. ये नहीं खाना, वो नहीं पीना, ये मत करो, don't make a mess and all that. But
Correct. Correct.
right now is not the time to focus on that. We have to focus more on the fact that our kids should not have meltdowns. They should not feel anxious.
Correct.
Like if personally I am sad or upset about something, I know it gets transferred to my kids instantly. And if I keep my spirits high, they are like all the way, perky and chirpy throughout the day. So it's important, A, not to focus on the rules. Second, something that I've been following since the beginning is that we don't have a no rule in the house. So for
Right.
anything that I want my girls not to do, I or my husband, we don't use the term no. There has to be a reason. And अभी जो टाइम है that is all the more crucial कि हम मना करने की जगह we focus on giving them reasons. Uh, I also believe कि अभी उनको liberty देना is very important. We cannot set strict rules. Mess मत कर, फटाफट toys उठाओ, eat
Right.
fast. There's a lot of things. I mean, sometimes I feel that the kids don't express themselves too much. उनको भी मन में चल रहा होगा, why am I trapped and why
Right.
am I home? So instead of focusing on other things, let's give them a liberty to explore. Let's focus on the fact that उनको अगर कोई चीज से रोकना है, give them a reason. और
Correct.
रोकना भी तभी करो when you feel that okay इनको safety से related कुछ problem हो जाएगा, I will not let my jump on the sofa क्योंकि वो गिर जाएगी and all that.
Right. 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 So I
Uh,
think yeah, like of course, Preetjot, like ये जो situation है, like we as an adult we can express ourselves कि यार बहुत बोर हो रहा है, मतलब कुछ
exactly,
करना नहीं है and all that stuff. But kids के
exactly.
लिए to express themselves is very difficult. And I think we as a parent, parents we have to take some precautious step as of now so that they also feel that they are at home and they can't go out for the reason right now. Right. So
Absolutely.
yes, and I'll ask everyone, like request everyone if they have any question or any queries, regarding managing toddler or how to keep their toddler spirit high at this situation. Please ask questions to Preetjot. She's here to answer all your queries.
So,
Yeah.
I
So
also
yeah.
wanted to add in that it's important to include kids in whatever you're doing right now. Because
Right.
see, my husband and I secretly talk about this whole situation, but we ensure that we don't use the term in front of the kids often. Often, क्या in
Right.
fact, नाम के बराबर. We talk about it only when the kids come up with a query. But
Correct.
it's not, what we do is that the kids know that my life has also changed as a mother. I was not used to doing all this jhadu, pocha, khana, and everything. So
Correct.
I try to include them in whatever I'm doing. Obviously, I don't give them a jhadu ke lagao bhai saaf karo.
Right.
But other things like if I'm cooking, I'll give them something to peel. कि कुछ ऐसा कर लो that they feel that they're still a part of something. We are
Right.
in this together, and it's important to be together in this. We cannot live a
Absolutely.
secret life एकदम से कि okay, let's just hide every information from the kids. उनको बताओ, but give them only the essential information which should not scare them off. कि भाई, I don't know
Absolutely.
what.
Yes, yes, true that. So, like going ahead, Preetjot, like my very first question to you is like, at this unusual situation, so how you are, managing your both kids and how you are keeping them in such a high spirit, at this unusual time.
Okay, honestly, let me confess, I'm not a person who manages her time all the time. But this
Right.
quarantine has given me no choice but to sort my day properly. I have it all planned completely. So my
Right.
girls have these online classes with their teachers in the morning. What I try to do is I wake up a little earlier than the time the class starts, and then I take care of all my chores. So जब तक उनका class चल रहा है, I finish all my work and I'm free by probably 1 o'clock, and I'm done with everything that I have to do. So that is one thing that gives me the entire day to myself. So 1:30 तक काम खत्म करके I'm like all to myself. I can binge watch. I can spend time with my girls. We can uh, dance together. We can sing together. And there's
Wow.
so many things that we can focus on once everything is done.
Right, right.
And I feel that क्या होता है कि हम like initially when this whole quarantine thing happened, I started doing chores in breaks. चलो अब ये कर लेते हैं फिर वो कर लेते हैं. And I realized by the end of the day I was so exhausted that बच्चे मेरे पास आते थे बोले प्लीज थोड़ी देर just leave me alone. I want to spend time with myself. And
Right.
I realized that it's important to keep your sanity first. कि खुद खुश रहो and you will be able to keep kids happy.
Right, right, right. I think that is what my next question was also. कि इस time पे being a mother and हमको इतना सारा काम करना पड़ता है while staying at home. So
Yeah.
house chores ही हमारे इतने ज़्यादा हैं, and again the second factor is like most of us are also working from home. So बहुत
Right.
सारा एक stress level हो जाता है, kids को भी संभालना है, उनका भी सुनना रहता है all time. So at this situation, how you are managing that? How you are coping with the anxiety and this negativity, around.
Okay, again, the thing is, for me, situation is a little different because my husband is still going to work. So,
Okay.
I'm one person, it's an inbuilt feature कि मुझे ज़्यादा मैं सोचती नहीं हूँ. Whatever comes my way, I just deal with it. But
Right.
because he's going to work, I know there's a hidden anxiety that is inside me. I know it's there. I don't show it, but it's there. And I feel it's okay to feel anxious right now. It's okay to be scared, but it's not important है कि हम उस anxiety को कैसे control कर रहे हैं. Because what happens is, like I said before, that जो हम feel करते हैं, it goes out in the air, and soon you'll see your children also, drooping, and they'll be like, "हाय कितनी दुखी है हम लोग," and everything. So इस
Right.
वक्त I make sure that my me time is important, very important. I make sure that I get my me time ताकि मैं अपना sanity increase सकूं. Uh, it is very important that इस वक्त अगर anxious feel कर रहे हो, don't show it to your kids.
Yeah.
I also spend a lot of time doing things that I love. Like I love my work. I like creating content. I'm also studying about something which is right
Okay.
now sort of a top secret. I've not disclosed it. So
Okay.
there are a lot of online courses out there.
Right.
Go out, search for them, and कुछ तो absolutely free है. So if you don't want to spend money, also there's so many places you can go and you can do something for yourself. तो इस वक्त
Right.
टाइम क्योंकि हमारे पास इतना टाइम है at hand, we can use that time to do our researches, learn new skills. So
Absolutely.
अभी I'm doing all that. Apart from that, we have this ritual. जब से quarantine हुआ है, the moment my husband comes home, We
हाँ.
turn on our Alexa and we play सबका choice का एक एक गाना, and we have to sing together. So that
Wow.
is what we do. And 7:30 my husband comes, so that's like the best time of the day for us. So all of us are like singing. और इस वक्त क्या है, none of the neighbors are minding loud noise because
Right.
सबको कुछ सुनने को तो मिले, because we all are trapped inside, so nobody's complaining. Uh,
Absolutely.
Also, क्या है कि we also indulge in dance activities. So अगर मैं काम भी कर रही हूँ, the music is on, तो कुछ fun है, और my body works only when the music is on. So that works brilliantly.
No, in fact, yeah, I've seen a lot of your, TikTok videos, and they are like, very funny and they're like very stress buster kind of, यार. मतलब मैं खुद भी, I have been following up you and बीच बीच में कभी like मुझे काम से थोड़ा सा भी change चाहिए होता है, तो जब भी मैं इंस्टा पे जाती हूँ, तो एक दो बार मैंने आपकी वीडियोस देखे and I was like कि wow, मतलब इतना वो funny videos है and even
Thank
like your
you.
whole family is there. Your kids are also there in the video. Your husband is also equally supporting you.
Yeah.
So it's like, a very great bonding that comes out.
Yeah, it's like a stress buster for us also. We like, this
Right.
is one thing that we like creating content together. तो सब इकट्ठे होके चलो, let's just find something and create something together.
Right.
That
Right.
also, it just relieves your stress. And sitting and watching your own video on a loop is like another stress buster altogether.
Absolutely, absolutely. And I think as a family also ये काफी अच्छा टाइम मिला है जो कि हम एज अ फैमिली अभी एक साथ हमारा जो बॉन्डिंग है वो बहुत अच्छे से अभी और भी डेवलप हो रहा है बिकॉज वी हैव टू
Absolutely.
स्टे वी हैव टू स्टे एट होम सो लाइक सब एक साथ मिलके जो भी कर रहे हैं सब एक साथ कुकिंग भी एक साथ एंड दैट इज
Right. एक्चुअली अब ये शायद नॉर्मल लाइफ में नहीं होता. मतलब अगर
राइट
हमें बांध के एक जगह पे बिठाया गया है तभी हम ये कर रहे हैं, नहीं तो आई एम श्योर मोस्ट ऑफ आवर we're so busy in our everyday hustle that we never realize ये छोटी छोटी बातें जो शायद हमें खुश कर सकती है. We never
एब्सोल्युटली
realize
ट्रू
those things.
Yeah. And yes, Preetjot, so like मुझे ये भी समझना था आपसे कि अभी एक ये क्वारंटाइन टाइम में एक ऐसा ट्रेंड सा दिख रहा है जहाँ पे किड्स को ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के लिए मदर्स आर लाइक वेरी मच वरिड कि अभी कौन सा क्लास ज्वाइन कराएं बिकॉज दे कैन नॉट गो टू स्कूल, दे कैन नॉट मीट देयर फ्रेंड्स. तो एक वो जो लर्निंग टाइम है मतलब स्कूल से जो मिलता था वो अभी बिल्कुल बंद हो चुका है. तो इस टाइम
हाँ.
पे मैंने देखा है कि काफी सारी मदर्स बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड आउट हैं कि यार अपने बच्चों को कौन सी क्लास के लिए ज्वाइन कराएं, कहाँ पे कौन से ऑनलाइन पोर्टल्स पे अच्छी लर्निंग्स है, ये सब है. सो on all these things what you suggest
See, मोनालिसा, I really feel कि इस वक्त ये see, जितना हमारे लिए डिफिकल्ट है ये चीज, उससे कई ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट हमारे बच्चों के लिए. ऑन टॉप
right
ऑफ इट, अगर वो दे हैव फाउंड सम, आई एम श्योर सबके बच्चों ने कुछ ना कुछ एक चीज ऐसे नहीं डेवलप कर ली है, मे बी ड्रॉइंग और पेंटिंग. माई गर्ल्स ड्रॉ एंड पेंट फॉर 5 hours एट अ स्ट्रेच. सो
right
सब बच्चों के अंदर कुछ ना कुछ उन्होंने एक नया लव क्रिएट कर लिया है, अपना एक अलग से वर्ल्ड क्रिएट कर लिया है. एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर अबाउट इट बिकॉज मैं सबके बच्चों को देखती हूँ ऑनलाइन एंड आई रियलाइज दैट ही फाउंड देयर ओन पैशन. तो इस वक्त
correct
मुझे पर्सनली लगता है दैट इंस्टेड ऑफ स्ट्रेसिंग और जजिंग योर सेल्फ कि ओ माई गॉड बाकी सबके बच्चे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस कर रहे हैं, मेरे क्यों नहीं कर रहे, एंड जजिंग योर सेल्फ कि अरे बाकी सबके बच्चे क्राफ्ट्स कर रहे हैं, आई एम नॉट अ क्राफ्ट और मेरे से नहीं होता है. मैं कितना भी, मेरे को रेडीमेड लाके दे दो एंड आई विल सिट विद देम एंड डू थिंग्स, बट आई विल
right
नॉट डू इट बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव दैट स्ट्रीक इन मी. तो इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट अपने आप को जज मत करो बिकॉज सी एवरीवन हैज ए क्वालिटी. अगर कोई और कुछ अच्छा कर सकता है, कैन क्रिएट एक्टिविटीज, मे बी आई हैव अनदर क्वालिटी जिसमें आई कैन कीप माई किड्स एंगेज. तो ये ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की वजह से ना एडेड स्ट्रेस होगा. ऑनेस्टली मैंने भी ट्राई किया. An opportunity of a free online dance class. So we did it for 2 days. And the third day, my younger one said, "Mama, I don't want to do because I get tired." तो वो middle of the class में वो उठ के भाग गई. So
हाँ
instead of forcing her, ना ये तो डांस क्लास करना ही है, it's important that let them be. उनका एक तो बंद कर दिया है घर पे. On top of
absolutely
it, you're pushing them so much कि नहीं बाकियों के बच्चे ये कर रहे, तुम भी एक आर्टिस्ट बन जाओ, रातों रात become Picasso. This does not happen. I mean, at least I don't want that to happen in my world, right now. And it should not happen with the kids right now. इतना unless they want to do something. अगर बच्चा बोल रहा है सामने से that I like to dance, तो do that. And then I also feel कि online class से ज्यादा ना take out time कि Zoom में group बना लो उनके school friends का, which we have done. So online classes, मतलब let them meet their friends ना every day. So it's not every day. हफ्ते में एक दो बार let them meet their friends, let them talk. उनको थोड़ा they will feel कि कुछ थोड़ा सा normal सी रह गई है today's world.
Right, right.
So that has really helped my girls. उनका in fact that is one of the reason why इनका school का जो class होता है, they are always very enthusiastic about it because that shows them कि चलो एक चीज है जो normal है. घर पे तो क्या हुआ? I can see my friends, I can see my
Right.
teachers. So
Absolutely.
like that.
या आई थिंक ये बहुत ही गुड आइडिया है कि एक जूम कॉल या फिर एक वीडियो कॉल ही अरेंज करने के लिए लाइक मे बी ट्वाइस इन अ
Yeah.
वीक दे कैन एटलीस्ट सी देयर फ्रेंड्स एंड दे शुड नॉट बी मिसिंग देम टोटली
Because मुझे लगता है हम लोग अडल्ट तो कर लेते हैं. आई एम श्योर हम सभी कर रहे हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ वीडियो कॉल, मम्मी को कॉल कर रहे हैं, किसी को कॉल कर रहे हैं. We have because we know how to do it. Main reason तो ये है. Why
Yes.
not make an extra effort कि बच्चों को भी let them see their people and let them feel a little normal right now.
एब्सोल्युटली ट्रू
Somebody had messaged me a question wherein किस हद तक we should listen to a child's zid.
ओह
So, which I feel is is very apt right now because suddenly this streak of zid has come in my younger one. She was always a happy-go-lucky child and हर चीज में अच्छा ठीक है ये करना है okay I'll do it ये भी कर लेंगे वो भी कर लेंगे. But right now I see this different streak in her which is perfectly okay क्योंकि like I said कि बंद कर दिया हमने उनको. Suddenly their world has changed overnight. उनको सब समझ भी नहीं आ रहा है कि एग्जैक्टली क्या हो रहा है.
क्या हुआ है
तो
करेक्ट
उनकी जिद लेट मी टेल यू कि ऑनेस्टली जब नॉर्मल डेज में ऐसा होता है जिद वाली बात, आई हैव अ जीरो टॉलरेंस फॉर द जिद. सो माई गर्ल्स नो इफ दे वांट समथिंग टू बी डन या कोई चीज चाहिए, दे हैव टू कम विद अ स्माइलिंग फेस एंड दे हैव टू डिस्कस. So if you demand ये चाहिए वो चाहिए, that does not happen in our house at all. So they know they have to come with a puppy face, probably a smiley face that okay, mama, I've come with this demand and fulfill my demand. पर अभी क्या हो रहा है कि अभी हमारे पास आई नो शी इज बीइंग स्टबर्न विद सर्टेन थिंग्स कि अच्छा मुझे रोज लॉलीपॉप चाहिए या रोज कुछ चाहिए. तो वी आर ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन टू हर कि देवी वी कैन नॉट गो टू द शॉप एवरी डे. So what we will do, we explain it to them. Tell them कि देखो अभी मैं लाके दे रही हूँ, you will get it today and maybe the next time you'll get it after 5 days or 7 days.
Right.
तो सीधे मना नहीं करना चाहिए because no is such a negative word. Suddenly you're like no you cannot do, you're being ziddy. तो
Right,
जब हम
right.
नॉर्मल डेज में भी उनको रोकते हैं तो we give them a reason. उनको पता है कि there is a way to approach मम्मा पापा. And अभी भी मुझे लगता है कि एक आध बार टू गिव इन टू देयर डिमांड इज ओके बिकॉज दैट इज नीडेड अभी क्योंकि
Yes.
एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. एंड आई फील हेल्पलेस लुकिंग एट द किड्स बिकॉज मैं एटलीस्ट बोल के बता देती हूँ. इवन दे टॉक बट दे डोंट लाइक माई यंगर वन डज नॉट टॉक अबाउट एंग्जाइटीज. शी इज अ वेरी हैप्पी गो लकी चाइल्ड और वो उसको कभी कभी होता है एंड दैट इज व्हेन शी शोज कि मैं थोड़ा जिद्दी होके दिखाऊं आज मम्मा को एंड
Right.
लेट मी चैलेंज हर.
Absolutely. And I think, कभी कभी होना ये चीजें, of course, like as a parents, we should tolerate this because वो, once in a time जो होता है. But I think, yes, and उनको मना भी नहीं करना चाहिए because अभी ये जो situation है, you can't do anything. And even they cannot do anything. उनको जो चाहिए, so they at least they are telling you once or twice, तो एक दो बार तो कर ही देना चाहिए उनकी डिमांड्स को भी.
Actually, yeah. कभी कभी इट्स ओके.
Yeah.
लेट्स नॉट बी स्टबर्न आवरसेल्व्स आल्सो कि कभी कभी लेट गो.
Right, right, right. Absolutely. बच्चे खाने में डेली स्पेशल मांगते हैं. Actually, they have fed up seeing our faces.
This is actually same everywhere. I spoke to a friend the other day और हम लोग यही डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि कैसे हमें कहाँ हम पका पकाया खाना आता था और नाउ सडनली the kids are coming to us कि भाई ये बना दो वो बना दो. इस वक्त थैंकफुली आई एम इन अ सिचुएशन जहाँ पे बच्चों को समझ में आ रहा है कि मैं रिसोर्सेज सेव कर रही हूँ. So we have
हाँ.
decided हफ्ते में चलो this day लोग we'll create a exotic food या कुछ अच्छा सा बनाएंगे, कुछ different pizza or something like that.
हाँ.
But क्या है कि इस वक्त खाना is the only thing that is keeping people sane. मतलब अपने आप को ले लो, like I suddenly got a streak or this अजीब सा temptation of having samosas yesterday और मैं फटाफट Instagram पे गई, first recipe I saw and I quickly made it. तो अभी ये
Right.
सोचो कि बच्चों को भी हो रहा है तो इट्स ओके, कभी कभी गिव इन करना इज ओके, पर उनको समझा सकते हैं. लाइक आई कीप टॉकिंग टू माय गर्ल्स कि देखो गर्ल्स, ए मम्मा गेट्स टायर्ड, शी कैन नॉट डू एवरीथिंग एवरी डे, तो देयर आर डेज दैट आई विल नीड योर हेल्प. सो
Right.
वो हेल्प सिर्फ ये है कि जो भी मैं बना दूं प्लीज खा लो. सो आई रियली फील कि और समथिंग जो सबको इस वक्त रख रहा है. लाइक आई हैव दीज ग्रुप्स वेर इन एवरी डे नई नई चीजें, कोई गुलाब जामुन, कोई रसगुल्ला बना रहा है,
Yes. True.
सडनली हम
True.
सब बन गए हैं. तो हफ्ते में बच्चों के साथ डील कर लो, लाइक हाउ आई हैव डन कि ठीक है ये डे, सो दिस इज व्हाट
Right.
यू गेट. This day the chef is on duty and she will cook whatever you say, so that day
Yes.
is that day. So not every day. So
Not
they
every
they
day. No, I mean, and it's a very good idea also, like, कि at least once in a weekend or yeah, every weekend they get something new to eat because वो daily
Yeah,
daily का खाना खा के भी they also get very bored. So like, of
I'm
course,
sure.
yeah. Even
Because
my daughter, she keeps asking for pizza and all. I was like कि ठीक है, अभी घर पे ही बनाते हैं because we cannot order
yeah,
anything. So
yeah.
yeah. यार बच्चे मम्मियों के साथ हेल्प भी नहीं करवाना चाहते, कोई तो हेल्प कर दो यार हमारे लिए.
ओके, दिस तो मैं रोज सोचती हूँ. लाइक आई एम श्योर इफ माई हस्बैंड वॉज होम वो मेरी हेल्प करते पूरे में, बिकॉज वी ऑलवेज बिलीव इन शेयरिंग द लोड. पर अब
राइट.
सीन ये है कि वो काम पे जाते हैं एंड बाय द टाइम ही इज बैक ही सो टायर्ड. अब मैं उनके हाथ में झाड़ू तो दे नहीं सकती हूँ कि प्लीज अब तुम पहले रुको तो झाड़ू मारो एंड देन यू लेट्स शेयर
राइट.
द लोड. तो अब ऐसे में क्या है, द ओनली थिंग दैट इज वर्किंग फिल्म विथ मी लाइक आई सेड इज प्यार से बात करो. आई ऑलवेज फील कि जैसे पपी फेस बच्चों के साथ काम करते हैं ना, बच्चे आते हैं पपी फेस बना के कि
हाँ.
मम्मा
हाँ.
दिस एंड दैट, तो मुझे इस वक्त ये लग रहा है कि दैट पपी फेस इज वर्किंग फॉर मी परफेक्टली. सो आई एम लाइक व्हेन दे कम अप विद समथिंग कि ये चाहिए वो चाहिए ये बना दो आज, तो आई एम लाइक आई नीड योर हेल्प. एंड सी इतना सीरियस होके तो लाइफ वैसे भी नहीं जी जा सकती, एंड राइट नाउ हम जितना सीरियस होंगे उतना डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा हमारे साथ ये पूरा थिंग डील करना. तो इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट टू एक्सप्लेन टू देम दैट बेबी मम्मा गेट्स टायर्ड, सो आई कैन नॉट, आई नीड योर हेल्प. उनको मेरे घर पे बच्चे जैसे इफ आई एम डूइंग समथिंग वो कुछ ना
राइट.
कुछ जरूर कर रहे होते हैं. सो आई ऑलवेज टेल देम कि मम्मा इज डूइंग मे बी स्वीपिंग द फ्लोर, सो यू प्लीज pick up your toys, keep it at one place and put everything back. तो
राइट.
उनको कहीं मुझे ये क्वारंटीन हैज बिकम लाइक अ ब्लेसिंग फॉर मी. मेरे बच्चे जो इतनी हेल्प नहीं करते थे, टुडे माय पपी फेस हेल्पिंग मी गेटिंग ऑल द पॉसिबल हेल्प and they're in this with me. They've realized that yeah, this thing is tough for everybody. So they
राइट.
question me that everybody is home, why is Papa going to work? So we have to like kind of explain it to them that why is Papa going? It's important for him to go. एंड रीजन देना इस वक्त बहुत जरूरी है, क्यों आधे लोग कुछ और कर रहे हैं और आधे लोग कुछ और कर रहे हैं. सो दे
एब्सोल्युटली.
अंडरस्टैंड दैट बोथ द पार्ट्स आर इक्वल. हम वी आर डूइंग आवर बिट, आवर वर्क इज इक्वली important staying at home, and what Papa is doing is equally important because he has to make sure that the other people are safe right now. So we
राइट.
have to sort of explain it to them, especially अगर आपका बच्चा बात कर सकता है and is big enough.
राइट.
ऐसे में it's important to have a discussion sort of an environment that way. It should not be a one way discussion, one way instruction, ये उठाओ वो उठाओ. It has to be a discussion.
टू वे डिस्कशन, या एब्सोल्युटली.
Absolutely.
बहुत मजा आ रहा है लाइक आपके साथ ये लाइव सेशन करके काफी कुछ नया जानने को भी मिलता है कि टॉडलर्स को कैसे मैनेज करना है ये टाइम पे. एंड सीरियसली आई मीन वी आर हैविंग अ ग्रेट सेशन विद यू Biju.
Yeah, I'm enjoying my guest.
We are here to end up the session now. And only last question is, what message you want to give to Baby Chakra family?
Uh, I just want to say to everybody out here that please remember that we all are in this together. None of us is alone. हमें लगता है कई बार घर पे बैठे बैठे that oh my god ये सब क्या हो रहा है, but we have to understand हम सब इसमें एक साथ है. जो लोग बाहर जा रहे हैं वो भी किसी वजह से जा रहे हैं.
Absolutely.
Please stay indoors as much as possible. I really feel that I understand we all crave for that exotic meal or ye wo, but decide, please try not to indulge in so much of exotic cooking because see the money is ours, but the resources are our countries. So अभी हम जितना ही exotic dishes में इंग्रेडिएंट्स यूज करेंगे उतना हमारे रिसोर्सेज घर पे खत्म हो जाएंगे जल्दी. And at the end of it, we'll have to make sure that we go out or probably order something from outside and delivery karwao groceries ki. So I really feel that it's about staying positive and using the best of the resources. Try to explain to your family that it's important to stick together and cooperate with each other
Right.
because it's really important. मेरे को कई बार when I see people around and I see that अलग अलग चीजें सबके घर पे बन रही हैं जो कि बननी चाहिए which is okay, but
Yeah.
कोशिश ये कीजिए that you do not overuse the resources that you have because please remember there's somebody out there who does not have even the basics, and
Absolutely.
understanding that is very important. Try to help the people who've always helped you, like my helper. Keep calling them, check on them if they're doing fine, if they need something. कुछ चाहिए उनको, make sure that you are able to कुछ ना कुछ करके make the thing reach them. If nothing, transfer money to them because even they are in the same situation. Do
Yes.
not cut the pay of your helpers at all. I really want to tell that to everyone out here because इस वक्त उनको भी उतनी ही जरूरत है resources की जितनी हमें है. And it's
Absolutely.
important to be empathetic. Stay home, stay positive, and keep your energy high because if your energy is high, I'm sure बच्चे भी खुश रहेंगे, will be happy, सब बिल्कुल, and don't look at the numbers. Stop looking
Right.
at the numbers. It's been over the week. I have not looked at the numbers because वो मुझे ऐसे BP
Same.
high हो रहा था कि क्या हो रहा है ये suddenly.
Absolutely.
So do that because that will not help at all. In fact,
Same here. I mean, and you said a very valid points, like, helping your neighbors, helping your, house helpers also. And these are the very valid points you spoke about, Prechut. I really appreciate that, you talked about it because we are tend to, avoid these points as of now, the kind of, the life we have started living. And thank you so much, Prechut, for, joining this live session.
thank you. In fact, it's a pleasure being here back within Baby Chakra again. It's always a
Same.
pleasure collaborating with Baby Chakra, and I have huge, immense respect for Naya and the entire team. In fact,
Yeah, I must say that, Naya she always talks about you whenever we, talk about any blogger or whenever we discuss anything like, normally in our office also, she firstly takes your name. Ki, oh, Preechut is like our very old mom star. You should contact her and all that. So yes,
she's
she
the
always has a
sweetest.
great regards for you.
Like even though like a woman of her genre, and I have let me be honest that I've met other people from a bigger platform. The warmth that you get when you meet Naya, I mean, it's unmatchable. She's so down to earth. She will remember what you did last time, like 7 years
Yeah,
back. That she'll remember and she'll appreciate that. So that is fantastic about her. She's a great leader. I mean, like a team leader.
yeah,
I
absolutely, I agree with you. All right, Preechut. So bye, take care.
You too take care. I hope this all gets over soon and
Yeah,
we get back
yeah,
to our normal life.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Lovely talking to you.
Yeah. All right. Bye.
Bye bye. Take care.
Take care.